Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix SSL pending error on Shopify. So there are a few things that you need to do. First one is check the SSL status in Shopify, and the way you can do it is head over to your dashboard. After that, what you need to do is head over to online store and then click on domain, and then under your domain name you'll see something like SSL status and it should say pending, and you can click on that and check if you can change it. Next thing is you need to verify your domain ownership, and the way you can do it is by adding DNS records or DNS settings. And then as you can see, the next step is like checking your DNS and everything. So set your A record address to this one, and you can find it in the DNS section of under domains. Last but not the least, you can contact Shopify support. As you can see, they have chat with us right over here. You can click on that and tell them that, hey, my SSL is pending, I've done everything but it's not working, and they'll let you know if there is any issue from your end. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.